In this video, we will explore the concept of security groups in AWS, their purpose, and the most commonly used ports when configuring EC2 instances. Security groups form the foundation of network security within AWS. They act as virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound traffic to and from EC2 instances. It is important to understand that security groups only contain allow rules. You can permit access based on IP addresses or other security groups, but you cannot explicitly deny traffic. With security groups, you can control access to specific ports, like 22, 80, or 443. Define IP ranges, IPv4 or IPv6, for access. Filter incoming traffic from other EC2 instances in your AWS network. Filter outgoing traffic from your instance to other servers or the internet. In the image, you can see a rule configuration that includes traffic direction, inbound or outbound. The protocol, for example, TCP. The port range, like port 80 or port 25. The source or destination 0.0.0. 0/0 means any IP can connect. For example, this rule allows TCP traffic on port 80, HTTP, and port 25, SMTP, from any source. Let's look at a quick scenario, SSH access. Imagine two computers trying to connect to an EC2 instance using SSH. The first computer is allowed because port 22 is open. The second computer is blocked because it does not have permission to connect on that port. So, security groups work like gatekeepers, only traffic that matches the rules gets through. Security groups also regulate outbound traffic, traffic sent from your EC2 instance to the internet or other resources. By default, all outbound traffic is allowed unless explicitly restricted. A few more things to remember about security groups. EC2 instances are not aware of the security groups, they are applied externally. One security group can be associated with multiple EC2 instances. Think of security groups like security guards at the door, they control who enters and exits. By default, all inbound traffic is blocked, following the cybersecurity principle of least privilege. And again, all outbound traffic is allowed by default. Some common ports to know. Port 22, SSH access to Linux instances via terminal. Port 21, FTP transfer files to a shared folder. Port 22, SFTP secure file transfers. Port 80, HTTP access websites without SSL. Port 443, HTTPS access websites with SSL encryption. Port 3389, RDP remote access to Windows instances. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you in the next video.